Yeah, I mean it's unraised, so I don't care. Okay, we're gonna play Pablo DMP 1896. I'm gonna play E5 here. 96. You can't resign up until a certain amount of moves have been played. That's the problem. Okay, we get the classic Gucci piano. I don't know why you can't resign, but you can't. I'm probably gonna kill. Oh, he slipped. Go here. I'm gonna go King F8 too, and now we can play like H3, H6, and manually develop our pieces. Drop back. Probably A4. I'll go like A6 maybe. All right. I'm gonna go King G7, just manually castle my king. He'll go King G1, King H2, of course. Gucci Res is online. Yes, I'm aware of that. I'm gonna play Rook E8 and Bishop E6. So like this bishop is very powerful, so I want to trade it off, and then I want to thrust in the center with D5. Knight survives on kick. Thank you, appreciate it. So I'm gonna go D5 to open up the center of the board a little bit here. Difference between A6 and A5 is either you can let white gain space, or you can play A5, B5, in which case Knight C4 can be a big problem down the road. With Knight C4 here, I always just drop back. But after A5, B5, Knight C4 can be very scary. That's a very good question, though. And honestly, I myself, I'm never 100% sure what the right capture is, or the right push is, A6 or A5. So it's always tricky. There's Knight E4. Okay, now, however, I could play F5, but this diagonal is a big problem. So I think what I want to do is just go Knight F6 and trade off the knights and try to cover up around my king here. Yeah, I mean, we both made mistakes. Like he plays King F1 move, which was just, I mean, a mouse slip, and so that's why like I tried to get it back into something that's more normal. Yeah, that's why. Now go Knight A5, idea Knight B3 and Knight D4 after C4 to open the scope. Are you open to playing different games and not just chess? I do actually. Like I might play Only Up later again, but the problem is I feel like for Only Up I need to watch an actual video or it's going to just take too long. Go here Knight D4. Yeah. Because now my knight jumps back into the party immediately. I'll just take on B5 here and take Knight D4. I have an open file. I can trade off the pieces. And in the endgame here, these pawns are a slight weakness potentially after queen takes D4. Go King G7 and Rook A2 here. Play Rook A2, Rook E6, Rook F6. Now I'm going to try to overload the pawn on F2 from these three sides. He finds Queen E4, which is a pretty good move, actually. And I'm currently down a pawn, but I'll probably still find a way to win. I'll go Queen C5 and Rook F6. I played Valorant on stream, but I just don't like Valorant. It's just, I just don't like it. It's not my thing. I don't like it. Yeah. Okay, we get G4, so I'm going to go Rook F6, overload the pawn. Big pressure here. Best openings for white, I think E4 is the best try, but yeah. I mean, I can watch a video about jumping on the beds and try to play Only Up again, but unless I'm going to watch a video on stream at like 2x speed, I don't know if it really makes sense. Go here, attack the queen. Because it's kind of like cheating, isn't it? I mean, maybe it's not. I don't know how I'm supposed to look at it, but anyway, it feels like you should be able to figure it out on your own, right? I mean, I guess if I'm not speedrunning, who really cares? But go check. I mean, Rook F3. I'm going to use my rooks here very aggressively. Go here. Great rooks. Target the pawns. I have a lot of play. A lot of play. Goes Queen E2, Queen H2. I'm going to play H5 and trade the pawns. I'll take the pawn here. I think what I'm going to do here is try to... Don't actually have a good move. Huh. No, I don't actually have a good move. I guess I'll go here. Maybe Rook D6 or something. Yeah, he finds Rook D3, which is also a good move. Maybe Queen E4? and queen e2. I'm trying to attack him, so his king feels a little bit loose with these pawns, but I don't have a way through right off. Let's go here and attack the rook. Trying to crash him. Maybe I move the rook to the side. Maybe I go here, rook d1, rook d2. He has this weak pawn on g4, which is a problem. But I can also go queen e3 or queen e5. Go check. Okay, now I have rook d1. I also have rook d2. I also have queen e1. I also have just queen d4, maybe. Just a simple move to keep an eye on everything here. Goes f5. Maybe check. Check, check, yes. And his basic tactics. Because now I have rook h1 to lever the king. And a king h3... It's still not over, actually. I thought I must be winning, but maybe I'm not. Maybe check and check? Feels like there should be some way to win here. Where is the variety? What do you mean variety? What do you mean? What do you mean by variety? You mean variety streaming or what? What do you mean? I know what you mean by variety. Wow. Variety streaming? I mean, I can play only up. I mean, he means only up, fine. I can play only up again, but I don't really want to. I want to stream chess today. Yeah, that's just a draw, but it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. No, I want to play chess right now. I don't know. Maybe not, but I want to play chess. There are no polls yet as far as I know. I don't think so. Yeah.